tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all.
History. Netherlands, a country located in northwestern Europe, also known as Holland. Netherlands means low-lying country. The name Holland, from Hapland or wooden land, was originally given to one of the medieval coasts of what later became the modern state and is still used for two of its 12 provinces. The country is indeed low-lying and remarkably flat, with large expanses of lakes, rivers, and canals. Along the coast, land was reclaimed from the sea, and in the interior lakes and marshes were drained, especially alongside the many rivers. All this new land was turned into polders, usually surrounded by dikes. The largest water control schemes were carried out in the second half of the 19th century and in the 12th century, when steam pump and later electric or diesel pumps came into use. Map. The Netherlands is divided into 12 administrative regions and provinces. The three overseas special municipalities, namely Bonaire, Sabah, and Sint-Eustatius in the Caribbean Netherlands, are not part of any province. With more than 3.7 million people, the province of Zuid-Holland is the most densely populated province in the Netherlands. Located in the western part of the country, in North Holland province is Amsterdam, the capital and the most populous city of Netherlands. Amsterdam is the major cultural, commercial and economic hub of the country, with the port of Amsterdam being the fifth largest port in Europe. There are more bicycles in the Netherlands than people. There are over 22 million bicycles in the country and only 17 million residents. This includes the clever, if not so elegant, backfit which combines a bike with a large container at the front to transport children, pets and shopping. Some sources claim that the Dutch cycle an average distance of 2.9 km per day and use bicycles for more than a quarter of all trips. This compared to just 2% in the UK. Others suggest that on average, a Dutch person cycles 1,000 km a year is about 200 km a year is about 250 to 300 trips. The downside of having so many bikes is that theft is very high, particularly in Amsterdam where it is the most common crime. Over 100,000 bikes are reported stolen each year in the Netherlands. The Dutch are indeed the tallest nation in the world. The Dutch are the world's tallest people, with an average height of 175.62 cm. Dutchmen are also the tallest globally, standing on average at 182.53 cm. Some researchers say that environmental factors such as low social inequality, universal healthcare, and heavy dairy consumption are all contributing factors. The Dutch produce around 6 million souvenir clothes every year. The Dutch have been wearing these high shoes or clown pants since medieval times to protect their feet while doing hard labor. These clunky shoes were ideal as they are sturdy, waterproof and easy to clean, although you will still sometimes to see them in the fields in rural areas of the Netherlands. Nowadays, they are largely sold as tourist souvenirs, and with a whopping 6 million of them being produced each year, you certainly won't have any trouble finding your size. The Netherlands is the 6th happiest country in the world. The Netherlands ranked as the world's 6th happiest country according to the 2020 World Happiness Report. The annual study ranked 156 countries, taking into account factors such as healthy life expectancy, freedom, trust, corruption, and social support. And it appears that the jovial Dutch have plenty to be thankful for, scoring high level of social and institutional trust as well as social connection. Interestingly, the country also ranks significantly higher than the neighbors. According to the report, only Finland, Denmark, Switzerland, Iceland and Norway are happier nations. Stroll around the Garden of Europe. Keukenhof, also known as the Garden of Europe, is a riot of color with blooms of every hue as far as the eye can see. Tulips are the signature flowers of this country, and the Garden of Europe, just outside of Liszt, is the largest public garden anywhere in the world. Covering 70 acres of land, you will find gorgeous flower exhibitions as well as restaurants and a wide variety of flora including daffodils, hyacinths and crocuses. Enjoy the village of Maken. The little village of Maken is known for being one of the prettiest spots in the Netherlands, particularly thanks to its strategic location in the IJsselmeer Lake. Crowds of visitors flock to the town every year to take in its picture postcard-worthy attractions such as traditional painted wooden houses as well as fishing boats. Paying the art at the Van Gogh Museum. The Van Gogh Museum in Amsterdam is an ode to one of the greatest artists ever to have lived. In addition to that, the Van Gogh Museum is regularly voted one of the best art museums in the world, so art lovers should make sure not to miss it off the itinerary. Visit the windmills of Kinderdijk. Enjoying a scenic location on the River Noord and nestled between Rotterdam and Dordrecht is the village of Kinderdijk, which means children died in Dutch. The main reason to come here is to take in the beautiful windmills that date from the 18th century, and this is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Meet the animal at Artis Royal Zoo. Artis Royal Zoo in Amsterdam first opened its gates in 1838, making it the oldest zoo in the Netherlands. It sprawls across more than 35 acres and has 19 different species of animals, many of which are housed in ornate and spacious compounds that were designed by 19th century. Average worldwide flight costs to the Netherlands from all airports are between for economy flight and for first class. Train. The Netherlands is so small that all major tourist destinations in the country are within a 2.5 hours train journey from Amsterdam. The national rail system is Netherlands Spoorwegen and their service is clean and efficient. Intercity train tickets around Holland are cheap and cost between 48 ringgit and 51 cent until 97 ringgit and 2 cent. For super short distance, they can be as little as 24 ringgit and 26 cent. Car rental. Car rentals can be as low as 145 ringgit and 53 cent per day. But the bus and train system in the Netherlands are so excellent and affordable, you really don't even need to bother. If you are renting a car, you will need an international driving permit or IDP. The Collector Hotel. The Collector Hotel is located in The Hague in the Zuid-Holland region, 3.3 km from the New Babylon and 3.5 km from Muiderode. All units are equipped with air conditioning, a flat screen TV with cable channel, a kettle, a shower, a hairdryer and a desk. At the hotel, every room comes with a private bathroom with free toiletries. Luxor Hotel, one of the Amsterdam's latest hotel addition. The Luxor Hotel is a rising star among travelers. The 47 rooms are spacious and contain modern decor that will make you feel at home. Currency. The Netherlands, like most of Europe, uses the euro as its form of currency. The euro became the official currency of the Netherlands in 2002. Even though The currency itself was first used in 1999 by electronic means and traveller's checks. Legal tender was first used 3 years later, beginning in the calendar year 2002. How much money will you need for your trip to the Netherlands? You should plan to spend around RM664.42 per day on your vacation in the Netherlands, which is the average daily price based on the expenses of the visitors. Past travelers have spent on average RM175.51 on meals for 1 day and RM104.47 on local transportation.